Hey guys, this is RC back again, and today I'm going to take you to Vimala Hills. We've just started from the toll and let's see how much time it's going to take. Now it's 6:20 a.m. On the road you can see the signage which reminds everyone to wear the mask. Cars are moving smoothly and there is no traffic on the road. We are almost there and the toll exit has come. To go to Vimala Hills, we need to enter from Punchak. In Punchak, there is no time when there is less traffic. You will always find traffic on the roads, and traffic here means Machit, which is a traffic jam, and you will surely find some people selling traditional snacks on the road. We are already at Vimala Hills and we have reached today quite early. It took us less than an hour. In normal days, it usually takes 2 to 3 hours to reach at Punchak, and it's really beautiful here. By the time I do some photography, you can have a look and enjoy. Roads are very neat and broad. People come specially here to walk and jog. I will call this place the Walker's Paradise. Our next point is to go to Bhumi Sampurna restaurant in Vimala Hills. We have reached already. You can see the lovely points here, and there is a bird park here, flower garden, and if you want to go around you can even take the horse cart, and this is the restaurant. The speciality of this restaurant is they have fresh water tanks full of fish. You need to select the fish and just tell them you want this fish, and they are going to grill it or fry it in the banana leaves. You can even choose from the frozen seafood and they are going to make it for you. This is the Pullman Hotel, and today the weather is complementing the place. This is the reception area of the hotel. You can see the puppetry art here. It looks so beautiful. It is wood carving and done in Indonesia. Every corner in this hotel is beautifully designed and very relaxing. I could see some handicrafts there. Let's have a look and buy some souvenirs. Ini barang dari mana?
Ini dari ada yang Kalimantan, ada yang Sukabumi.
Oh, Kalimantan.
Iya, saya bikin sendiri ini.
Oh, ini batu apa?
Iya, batu akik.
Oh, batu atik. Dari Kalimantan.
Iya, ada yang Kalimantan, ada yang Sukabumi.
Oh,
saya
okay.
ngerangkai sendiri ini.
Oh, sendiri.
Iya.
Oke. Okay. Dan ini?
Kalau ini
Kayunya dari mana?
kayu dari Bogor ini, campur.
Oh, dari Bogor.
Iya, ini teman yang bikin di sini.
Okay. I asked the person and he told me that jewelry is made up of agate gemstone, which is available in Kalimantan, an island in Indonesia. and the woodcraft is also done by one of his friends, all done by hand and a good craftsmanship. This is the poolside restaurant of Pullman. To see the menu, you need to scan here. We have ordered Thai bubble tea and coffee along with a pizza. You can enjoy your snacks by looking at the surroundings, and even you can order your drink and enjoy while swimming. Ini bikin apa?
Ini chicken pop, Bu.
Oh, chicken pop.
Iya.
He is coating the chicken pieces in a batter and deep frying it. Let's check it out, making of bubble tea and coffee. The best part of bubble tea or coffee is the bubbles. Bubbles are very soft and chewy. They can be eaten as a dessert also, and they are made up of tapioca balls. And youngsters nowadays, they love to drink bubble tea, and there are so many brands available here like Share Tea or Cha Time, which is enjoyed by most. Now it's time to make the coffee. Very strong coffee with double shot of coffee with zero sugar. Now let me taste it, and I'm going to tell you how is the taste of tea and coffee. Very strong and nice. And this is Thai tea with bubbles. This is also good. You can see the bubbles. This is a pizza dough. Let's watch making pizza. Chef is flattening it with a round pen, and we asked for thin crust, so he has to flatten it till it is thin. Wow, cheese. Lots and lots of cheese should be added for a cheesy pizza. And it is ready to go inside the open fire oven to be baked. Pak, ini berapa lama di dalam?
Ini sekitar 5 sampai 6 menitan.
Oh, 5 menit. 5 menit cukup?
5 menit cukup. Ya.
I asked the chef and he told me 5 to 6 minutes are enough for it to be baked. This is the games room of Pullman for in-house guests. That's all for today, guys, and I'm going to take you to another place next time, and on the way we are going to do some fruit shopping as usual, as you get the best fruits in Indonesia, especially the tropical fruits. Let me know, guys, if you have liked it. You can comment, share and subscribe. Bye.